going to teach you how to make a pizza. So first you need a tray full of flour and then dip some dough in it, and then spread the flour all over the dough and then flatten it with your hands and more flour. Some sauce on the pizza dough. We are adding some cheese on the pizza and the sauce. And they are adding some onions on the ham pizza and beans, and then they are going to lift up the pizza dough. Wow! And then put it in the burner, and then get the other pizza dough and put it in the burner. And the other pizza dough and put it in the burner. Here's the way how to make a really excellent pizza. Look at that. My one, I think. My one is said. I don't know which one's actually this one. Okay, so this is an onion pepperoni pizza, and this is a chicken pizza, and this is a cheese